guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Ipsy unbagging video. Today we are unbagging, it sounds so weird to say unbagging instead of unboxing, but technically Ipsy products. Ipsy comes in a bag, not a box, so we're unbagging. Today we're unbagging the November 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So I am an Ipsy ambassador, which means they do send these to me a tiny bit early so I can show you guys the possible products that you could be getting inside of your bags. It looks like the theme this month is royal treatment, and the bags definitely give me royal vibes with like the velvet and the gold. There's even like a crown on there, so they're definitely sticking to that theme. We'll see if the products inside are luxurious. Okay, so we're gonna start with the original Glam Bag, which is $13 a month. If you are unfamiliar, Glam Bag or Ipsy is a monthly subscription service that you can sign up for. They have the different tiers. They have original, plus, and they also have an XL or something like that. And you get surprise makeup goodies every single month. So it's like Christmas every month. And it started with the original. This is $13 a month, and there's typically 5 deluxe size samples. Occasionally you'll get a full size in there. Okay, first thing in here is a deluxe size sample from Briogeo. I love this hair care brand. They have really good stuff. This is their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. A really good hair mask. This is probably enough for one use, especially if you have longer hair like me, or if you have really long hair, definitely just one use. But if you're looking for a really good deep conditioning mask for your hair, this is a good one. Okay, next thing in my Glam Bag is by the brand Sophia and Maybell. Haven't heard of that brand before. This looks like possibly a lip gloss, tinted lip oil. I feel like lip oil is having its moment right now. I'm kind of ready for the moment to be over because I feel like I've gotten so many lip oils in subscription boxes lately. Like, I'm just kind of ready for it to be done. But you know what? It is a good product. Lip oils are really nice if you have like dry lips, or you just want something kind of like a lip gloss but not quite as like sticky as a lip gloss. Then a lip oil is going to be a good one. There's no scent to this at all whatsoever. And it's in the color Jellyfish. You can't really see anything. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out here is by the brand Kinship. We've gotten lots of Kinship products in our Ipsy bags before. This is the Deep Pore Detox Mask. It looks like it's green. You know, I haven't been like a huge fan of the Kinship products that we have gotten. None of them have just made me very excited. This one is, you know, I haven't been too into face masks lately. I think a lot of that has to do with like being pregnant, and I'm trying to be like really careful about the skincare that I use, but you know, maybe I'll save it until after and then we'll see how it goes. This is the Mint Mud, so it must smell like mint. All right, next thing in here is by the brand Glossier. This is the Milk Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. It's been a hot minute since I have heard anything about Glossier. I've gotten a couple of PR things from them before, but like I said, it's been years, so it's kind of nice to see Glossier in here again. This is a itty bitty 0.5 little travel size, and you could probably get 3-4 uses out of this. Okay, so we have 1 makeup thing, 1 hair care thing, and 2 skincare things. Let's see what the last product is gonna be. Hopefully makeup. This is by the brand Camelina and Strobe. Does that sound right? Probably not. I'm probably saying that wrong. This is the Luminizing Primer. Okay. You know what? I've actually been into luminous things a lot lately. I go through phases, and it's like sometimes I like matte, sometimes I like luminous. Currently I'm in like the luminous phase of life, so I will probably really like this. Oh my gosh, it has a seal on it and everything. The packaging is weird. It reminds me of like glue. Wait, is that right? Did I open that right? Okay, I think I opened the packaging. I just like pulled it off and it, okay, well it still kind of looks like glue. Okay, let's see. It's a white base. Oh, but when you blend it out, it turns beige. Weird. Okay, so that was everything in the original Glam Bag. Next, we'll hop into the Glam Bag Plus. This typically has full-size products or like very deluxe size sample products, and it's $28 a month. So it's a little bit pricey, about double the price. All right, first thing in here is, oh, interesting. It's like hair scrunchies. This is the first time we've gotten like non-beauty, I mean, I guess hair accessories are beauty products, right? So this is by the brand Kitsch. I know I'm saying that totally wrong. I've never been the best like enunciator. And these are scrunchies. They're really pretty colors. They look like that chiffon material. Yeah. Okay, you know what? Hair scrunchies are coming back. I was wearing a scrunchie the other night and my husband was like, is that a scrunchie in your hair? And I was like, yeah, scrunchies are coming back. These are nice neutral colors too. All right, next thing in here is Big. It's by the brand Nomad. We have gotten a few Nomad products in our Ipsy bags before, so not a new brand, but looks like it's a new product. So it looks like this is a new eyeshadow palette, Carry On eyeshadow palette. Let's see what the colors look like. I love the royal blue packaging, goes with the whole royal theme they were talking about. Oh, pretty colors. That is a loud eyeshadow. Wow. The colors are really cute. Roaring 20s, like the names. Baby Grand, Bon Voyage. Wow, Istanbul Nightcap. How cute is that? These are really pretty colors. I mean, you got some neutrals and you got like your loud pops of colors. I do recall the last Nomad palette we had was pretty good quality. I ended up giving it to my mom just because I do have so many palettes. I'll probably end up giving this to my mom or my sister as well, but it's really nice that they included that. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Thrive Cosmetics. Okay, we've gotten a few Thrive products as well. I think we've gotten an eyeliner and maybe a lip liner. So this is their Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I have tried this before. I actually really like this mascara. They sell it at Ulta. It's a tubing mascara, which is my favorite kind of mascara. It tubes your lashes and it gives them lots of length and lots of volume. It doesn't flake, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't budge. That's just like the nature of a tubing mascara. And then at the end of the night, you just like pull it off and it comes off, and like it is the weirdest, most satisfying thing ever. So I feel like Thrive was one of the first to really be well known for their tubing mascara. So it's actually really nice that they included this. It's the rich black color, which is perfect. Okay, next thing in here is by Il Makiage. We've seen lots of Il Makiage in these bags lately. This is a lipstick, it looks like, in the color Dirty Talk. Fancy. Looks like it's a really pretty color. If that is the color, that's a really pretty color. Packaging is nice and heavy. Ooh, it has one of those like magnetic, oh, I like that. And then there's like the embossment of Il Makiage on the packaging. Very nice packaging. And it is that beautiful, it looks like it's a matte. Weird, there's like a texture on the lipstick. Okay, we gotta swatch this. Really pretty color, really pretty color. It reminds me a lot, consistency-wise, of the NARS Audacious lipsticks. That's pretty. I kind of want to put it on, but I just put this lip gloss on. Okay, last product. Let's see what you are. This is by the brand Able Skincare London. Haven't heard of that before. And it's the Ultra Plus Collagen Eye Rescue Therapy. I feel like we always get some sort of eye product in these bags inevitably, which, you know, is nice if you're trying to find like the most holy grail perfect eye care product for you. It's just interesting because we always get an eye product in here. This must be a full size if it's an eye cream. Let's see. Nice and, oh, it's like a thin, feels like a gel almost. No scent to it. It's kind of sticky. Okay, so this was a really good bag. You got a full-size eyeshadow palette, a full-size mascara, a full-size lipstick. So that's 3 makeup products, 1 skincare product, and then a pretty cool hair care product. So definitely a really good bag. And if any of these products spark your interest or are things that you would want in your bag, make sure you log into your Ipsy account and like hand select. You can kind of pick some of your products and then the rest are surprises. So make sure you go on and pick the ones you like so you can get them before they run out. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging and I'll talk to you next time.